Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into a colorful world of racing fun. On the track, we have a red car, a yellow car, a blue car, a green car, and an orange car, each one vibrant and exciting. Watch out for the pink bus and the white truck too. These little vehicles speed down the track, jump, and even have some spectacular crashes. And that's a wrap for our colorful racing adventure. I hope you had a fantastic time learning about colors while enjoying the thrilling race. If you want more exciting videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, keep exploring and having fun.